Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super important topic, gut health. You've probably heard it called your second brain, and there's a good reason for that. We're going to break it all down, talk about why your gut is so crucial to your overall health, and uncover those sneaky signs that it might be time to give your gut a little extra TLC. Let's get started. All right, let's talk about bloating. We've all been there, right? That uncomfortable, sometimes even painful feeling of fullness after a meal. But here's the thing. If you're experiencing bloating regularly, it could be a sign that something's off with your gut. Think of your gut like a well-oiled machine. When everything's running smoothly, digestion is a breeze. But when things are out of whack, that's when you start to experience problems like bloating. It could be a sign of an imbalance in your gut bacteria. You know, those trillions of little guys living in your intestines. They play a huge role in digestion, and when they're out of balance, it can lead to excess gas and that dreaded bloating. Now, I'm not talking about the occasional post-burrito bloat. We've all been there. But if you're noticing that you're bloated more often than not, especially after eating certain foods, it's definitely worth paying attention to. Keep a food diary and see if you can pinpoint any triggers. And hey, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional if you're concerned. Ever notice that you can't seem to stomach certain foods anymore? Maybe dairy products send you running for the bathroom, or gluten has become your worst enemy. Developing new food intolerances, especially as an adult, can be a huge red flag that something's up with your gut. Here's the deal. Food intolerances happen when your body has trouble digesting certain components of food. And guess what plays a big role in digestion? You got it, your gut. When your gut isn't healthy, it can affect your body's ability to break down food properly, leading to those uncomfortable and sometimes embarrassing symptoms of food intolerance. So if you're suddenly experiencing bloating, gas, diarrhea, or other digestive woes after eating certain foods, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor. They can help determine if you have a food intolerance and guide you on the best course of action. Remember, listening to your body is key. Have you noticed your weight suddenly going up or down without any major changes to your diet or exercise routine? While there are many reasons for unexpected weight fluctuations, one often overlooked culprit could be your gut health. See, your gut plays a crucial role in nutrient absorption. When your gut isn't functioning optimally, it can affect how well your body absorbs nutrients from the food you eat. This can lead to weight loss even if you're eating a healthy diet. On the flip side, an imbalance in your gut bacteria can sometimes lead to weight gain even if you're not overeating. It's like this. Imagine your gut is a sponge. A healthy gut is like a brand new, super absorbent sponge soaking up all those nutrients from your food. But an unhealthy gut is like an old, worn-out sponge that can't quite hold on to everything, leading to nutrient deficiencies and potential weight loss. Chapter 4. Tossing and turning. Your gut might be keeping you up at night. We all know how important a good night's sleep is for our overall health and well-being, but did you know that your gut health can actually impact your sleep quality? It's true. Remember that second brain we talked about earlier? Well, your gut and your brain are in constant communication, and this includes during sleep. When your gut is inflamed or irritated, it can disrupt your sleep patterns and make it difficult to get a restful night's sleep. And it's not just about the quantity of sleep you're getting, but the quality too. Even if you're clocking in enough hours, if your gut is out of whack, you might find yourself waking up feeling groggy and unrefreshed. Chapter 5. Skin Deep, the gut-skin connection. We often think of skin health as a separate issue, but the truth is our skin is a reflection of what's going on inside our bodies, especially in our gut. If you're dealing with persistent skin issues like eczema, acne, or rosacea, it might be time to take a closer look at your gut health. Think of it this way: when your gut is inflamed, it can trigger inflammation throughout your entire body, including your skin. This inflammation can manifest in a number of ways, from those itchy eczema patches to stubborn breakouts. And here's another interesting connection. Your gut plays a role in eliminating toxins from your body. When your gut isn't functioning properly, those toxins can build up and eventually make their way to your skin, wreaking havoc and contributing to skin problems. Chapter 6. Autoimmune alerts. When your gut turns on you. Autoimmune diseases are complex conditions. where your immune system mistakenly attacks your own body's tissues. And while the exact causes of autoimmune diseases are still being researched, there's growing evidence that gut health plays a significant role. Remember those trillions of bacteria living in your gut? Well, they actually help train your immune system to distinguish between friend and foe. When you have a healthy balance of bacteria, your immune system can do its job effectively, protecting you from harmful invaders. But when your gut bacteria are out of balance, it can throw your immune system into disarray. This can lead to a condition called leaky gut, where the lining of your gut becomes more permeable, allowing undigested food particles, toxins, and bacteria to leak into your bloodstream. Chapter 7. Sugar cravings, your gut's calling for backup. We all crave sugary treats from time to time, but if you find yourself constantly battling sugar cravings, it could be a sign that your gut bacteria are out of balance. You see, the bacteria in your gut actually feed on the food you eat. And guess what some of their favorite foods are? You got it, sugar and processed carbohydrates. When you consume a lot of sugar, it can lead to an overgrowth of bad bacteria in your gut, while the good bacteria might not be getting the nutrients they need to thrive. This imbalance can create a vicious cycle of cravings, where the bad bacteria actually send signals to your brain demanding more sugar. So the next time you reach for that sugary snack, ask yourself, is my gut really hungry, or is it just those sugar-loving bacteria calling the shots? Feeling tired and sluggish even after a good night's sleep? While there are many potential causes of fatigue, one often overlooked factor is gut health. Your gut plays a crucial role in digesting food and absorbing nutrients, which are essential for providing your body with energy. When your gut isn't functioning optimally, it can affect your body's ability to efficiently convert food into fuel. This can leave you feeling drained no matter how much coffee you drink. Think of it like this: your gut is like the engine of a car. When the engine is running smoothly, the car has plenty of power and energy, but if the engine is sputtering and struggling, the car won't be able to perform at its best. Did you know that a large portion of your immune system is actually located in your gut? It's true. Your gut is like a fortress protecting your body from harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. When your gut is healthy, it acts as a powerful barrier, preventing those invaders from entering your bloodstream and making you sick. But when your gut bacteria are out of balance, it can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. Think of it this way: your gut is like the security guard of your body. A strong and alert security guard can keep unwanted visitors out, but a tired and distracted guard might let a few slip through the cracks. You've probably heard the saying, "You are what you eat." But did you know that it goes both ways? Your gut health can actually impact your mental health and vice versa. This fascinating connection is known as the gut-brain axis. Scientists are just beginning to unravel the complexities of the gut-brain axis, but we know that there's constant communication between your gut and your brain. And this communication involves a complex network of nerves, hormones, and neurotransmitters. When your gut is healthy, it sends happy signals to your brain, which can contribute to a positive mood and a sense of well-being. But when your gut is inflamed or irritated, it can send stress signals to your brain, potentially contributing to anxiety, depression, and other mood disorders. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Remember, your gut health is incredibly important for your overall well-being. By paying attention to those hidden signs and making gut-healthy choices, you can support your gut and help it thrive. Take care of your gut, and it will take care of you. See you next time.